I'm surprised by the number of people who've asked me, what's changed with ChatGPT 5? Why is everyone talking about ChatGPT 5? So if you give me 10 minutes, I'm going to walk you through why this is not just an upgrade. It's a whole new way of using ChatGPT. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT 5, when to use it, give you some really good examples that you could use yourself. And I'm also going to be showing you some secret settings that a lot of people miss. And these settings could really change the game for you. Let's step into the video. Let's get started with ChatGPT 5. One way you'll know that it's ChatGPT 5, even when you're on the free version of ChatGPT, when you click here at the top, ChatGPT, you will see only the two models, ChatGPT Plus and ChatGPT. That's all you will see. You won't see all those other versions, 3, 4, 4 mini and all that confusing stuff. That's all gone. And then when we come here on where we put our prompts, so instead of just going ahead and putting your prompt, you can see if you tap here. Okay, so when you click in here, if you're on the paid plan, you will have agent mode, but just on the free plan here, you have study and learn, which is perfect for students or lifelong learners. It doesn't just explain a topic, it can even quiz you, and that's really active learning. The best way is to actually remember information than just to prompt it and have ChatGPT tell you the answers. Study and learn is really good if you're learning a topic or studying. So you can also have here deep research. This is where ChatGPT 5 really flexes its brain. Ask it something like, how will AI change healthcare in the next 5 years? And instead of a surface answer, it will dig deeper and it will think about multiple angles and give you a structured report. And the canvas here, the canvas mode is incredible. So let's say you want to write a blog post. ChatGPT gives you a draft and then you can actually edit it inside ChatGPT. Let's try that. So say I want to write a blog about ChatGPT 5 new features. So if I just put that into Canvas, and there it starts to write about the ChatGPT 5 features. And because I'm in the Canvas mode, when it's finished writing, I have these options here to copy or edit or download. So say if I went to edit, I could then now come in here and go and delete parts of it or add in my own thoughts. So that's the difference with ChatGPT Canvas. You can actually edit it within ChatGPT. So that's such a cool feature. We'll go back to where we were. And then, of course, you've got the connections. Now you can connect Google Drive, OneDrive, SharePoint. I'm just not yet confident enough to do that. So I haven't connected anything to ChatGPT. The other feature that I've been using lately is this temporary chat. So this chat won't appear in your history. You can use or update, and it won't be used to update ChatGPT's memory or be used to train their models. So for safety purposes, they may keep a copy of this chat for 30 days, but it's not adding to your history or your memory. So, but you can prompt within the temporary chat, you can use prompts as you can. It's just that that chat is not part of the history or part of ChatGPT's memory. So you can consider using the temporary chat. I've been using that quite a bit. I'll show you another feature that I liked that's in ChatGPT 5, the library. You can see all the images you've ever created in ChatGPT. So you can always go back to those if you ever wanted to. That's pretty handy. I love that feature. I guess some people really liked the previous models that you could see, like if you were in ChatGPT, where you could see all the other models. So if you did want those back, this is what you could do. You could go to settings. So, okay, so if you wanted to see the legacy models, you can only do that on the paid plan. So you toggle this on, and then now if you come here, you should see the legacy models. So that's on the paid plan. And I am not interested in seeing the legacy models. Quite happy with ChatGPT 5. So yeah, so that's how that works. So anyway, the other thing you can do now within settings is you can even change your theme if you want a dark mode. The accent color, it's on the default color. You can make that pink if you wanted. And you can even alter the language there. I'll just leave that on English. And here, if you wanted to make, if you speak Spanish most of the time and you wanted that to be your spoken language, you can choose that. And here you could change, say when you're using voice mode within ChatGPT and you wanted to select the type of voice you want, you could do that there. Let's say, for example, the current one is this. So now you could choose another voice. Got our dark mode and we've got our pink.